little, you know, it's cool outside and it's sweaty in here. Every time it gets hot, like it's cold in here and hot and cold. And anyway, this video I'm doing something, I don't know. I used to take apart all kinds of stuff in my I'd say early years, but I don't really have a channel that's been up for 70 million years like some people. So, but early when I started this, I started taking apart stuff. So, and I still like taking apart dumb shit just to see what's in it. And today I got 3 of them to chop up just to see what's going on. So let's see what we got here. This today, we have a messy bench. This was last week's video. I have these things, which they should come apart, but I don't know if they work on. Oh, that one works. My kids go through these things, and I don't know if these things come off or what. So we're gonna. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. Like, oops, oopsies. There we go. I want to see how this thing comes apart. Oh, there we go. Oh, I broke it. How the hell does it come out? It just pops out then. Ooh. Nasty. Where I got a pliers here somewhere. Like, what's in these things? Besides crummy batteries. Is it all... What the hell's in them? There's just a little... See, you never get to see what the hell's in them. There's like... What's this? Screwdriver. There's the head. The brush head. How the hell does this go on? Let me see. Okay, that pops out. There's a little piece in there. Oh, now I can brush my fingernails. Look at that. Manicure. There's a little vibrating thing in there. There's a rod in there. What does this do? I need a better... something better to chop this up with. Here we go. Good old Stanley vice grips. A little more. There we go. There's another little... I think it's just a little motor in here. But how does this, like... How do they put this together? Is it... Oh, that's weird. I need like tweezers or something. Schneedle nose pliers. Check in here. Does this come out? I want to know what's inside. I'm sure there's like 20 other videos. What's in there? Let's go like this. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. Let's use the can opener. Let's see. Right, that side. Can open. Okay. Now, split it open. Ooh, it's hot. There we go. Look at that. So, oh, there's a little, shaft in there. I guess spins. And there's like these old-fashioned, I don't know if anybody remembers in the 70s. Does anybody remember the little cars from the 70s and 80s that had these big, fat, ugly motors in? It's just a motor and that's it, really. Look. It's just popped in here, the motor. How the hell does it come out? Here we go. This one's rusted to the core. So that one's that. So this just pops off. Right? Should just pop off. Is it glued in there or something? I don't know. See, this one still works. Well, it doesn't even like... I never really looked at it. It doesn't even spin. It just kind of like jiggles. There's that one. Where's the other one? Could have swore I had 3 of them. Where's the third one gone? Where'd the third one go? 1, 2, there's number 3. Where'd the third one go? Where did the third... I had 3. Oh, here it is. Duh. This one doesn't work. They're all... Let's see. Well, they're all the same thing. This one's... Oh, what do you know? So anyway, they're all made the same. No need to cut it open. I'm pretty sure this one will actually come apart. Oh, I can figure out how to get it out. Oh, I broke it. Oh, no, I broke the damn thing. So you gotta, what the hell is it? Twist it and lock it. Okay, I get it. So if that one twist locks. Ah, there's a screw on this one. Where's that? Let's see, the batteries came out of that. I think the battery's this one. Active Energy Super Alkaline Battery, made in China. See, Active Energy. See if this other one works. So that one goes this way, that one goes that way. And I'm not even sure if this goes in that way. No, let's see. Where the hell does it go? This? Weird. Well, this one sucks. Let's cut this one open, see what the difference is. We'll put this battery in there. Is that the battery? Hope so. Hope it works. We'll put this one back in here, like so. Oh, no, it doesn't. Wait, the wrong battery. That's a good one. Okay, it's the crusty battery. That's a nicer one. It's a better one. And this one's got the thing on there. Now it doesn't work. What's going on here? Okay. Take this battery out. Try this one here. Weird. Try it now. Well, anyway, it used to work. Let's take this and use the can opener. That's some hot plastic there. Pretty sure Hot Wheels had nothing to do with this. So yeah, it's the same googly setup as the other one. Same motor. See, it's just a little spinny shaft that goes, spins and makes, it's weird. There's a little tiny, I don't know if you can see that. It just makes a little wheep and just vibrates it. It doesn't even spin the brush. Goddamn mosquitoes in here. So yeah, not even a year old. Rusty motor, cheap components. Like the color is nice on that one. Crayola. Pretty sure it's the same thing. You know how much these cost? They cost $1. They're $1 at the dollar store. And it just makes me wonder, like, all this plus this, how in the world does anybody make money? Oh, I see how it's in there. Oh, I see. If you take the, pop this right here, you pop that, you then can very carefully, by tweezers, little bastard mosquito, take tweezers, you can then pull this out. Ah, I get it. The whole thing comes out. Look at that. So now I theoretically can go like this. Put that in there. See what combination battery worked. And get it work. Let's see, I'll push this down. Nope, battery doesn't work. It's not that one. Is it this one? Let's see. Nope, it's not that one. Is it this one? One of these batteries is supposed to work. Maybe it's not that one. It's this one. Why the hell isn't it? The batteries were working. Now they're not. How is this even weird? This should work. Which one's better? Which one's... See, this one's a clean one. This one's a rusty one. Or maybe it's... I don't know. Weird. Made that one goes in like that. That one goes in that way. Oh, there we go. See? Put it in there and it goes. So all it does is bibbity bobble. It's pretty cool. Pretty so cool. I'm throwing it in the garbage. It's even got a little, I guess it's a, what the hell would this be called? A gasket for the front. So anyway, I won't cut this up. But it's pretty cool how I noticed that if you get the back off here without chopping it up, I could have. Oh, and the switch, just the rubber in. It's molded in the plastic, like it's right in the. See, it's right in there. It's not even like. And all it is I'm not sure what the hell this is called, but if you go like this, it goes up. There you can see that goes down. It's not even it's a mechanical switch. I don't know what the hell these are called, what things, but it does the job. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is, I'm not the American Dental Association channel. I'm not associated with any of this, but I always wanted to see what was in it. So when your kids go through these and they die, and at least now I know how to open them up and put new batteries in it. I can also pull the whole cylinder out. It's just some afternoon fun. So thanks for watching, Toodles. Stay tuned, have fun, and enjoy the channel. Thanks for watching. Do I have stuff on my face? No, I don't think so. Thanks for watching, Toodles.